Statcon Power Controls Limited. Statcon is a very well-known name in the field of power electronics. Its corporate office is situated at Noida and production unit is located at Pilakua. As the name Statcon represents, it works on static converters. From the last 25 years, Statcon manufactures a wide range of power electronics related products for various government organizations like ground power unit GPU for Indian Air Force, battery charger for various power sector organization, 48 volt SMPS based battery charger for telecom sector, mobile battery charger for Indian Navy, integrated power supply for Indian Railway, solar inverters for various government organizations. Apart from these, Statcon has large number of customers from semi-government and private sectors like Statcon is among the Part 1 supplier for IPS system in Indian Railway, already supplied more than 3000 IPS. The purpose of IPS is to provide reliable and stable AC and DC supply for PI stations in railway signaling installation, which is very important for the movement of trains. It is designed as per the customer supplied schematic block diagram and specifications, depending on the number of lines in that station. Generally, IPS divided into three sections. First, SMR panel, second, AC panel, and third, DC panel. Apart from these, two more modules are included with IPS system. One, Class B type surge protection box. Two, status monitoring panel. IPS is a module-based power supply which make it more reliable and compact. Now we will provide the description of various modules used in IPS system. SMR module. The input voltage for SMR module is 150 to 275 volt AC and the output voltage is 110 volt DC. The rating of SMR module is 110 volt and 20 ampere. Inverter module. The input voltage for inverter module is 110 volt DC and the output voltage is 230 volt AC. The available rating for inverter module are 1 kVA, 1.5 kVA, 2 kVA and 3 kVA. AVR, automatic voltage regulator. The input voltage for AVR is 230 volt AC and the output voltage is 230 volt AC. The available rating for AVR module are 1 kVA, 1.5 kVA, 2 kVA and 3 kVA. Transformer module. The input voltage for transformer module is 230 volt AC and the output voltage is 100 to 140 volt AC. The available rating for transformer module are 500 VA and 1 kVA. DC-DC converter. The input voltage for DC-DC converter is 110 volt DC and the output voltage varied according to the module application. DC-DC converter are available in following rating. All mentioned modules are the major part of IPS system.